Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Yahoo Mail. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Yahoo Mail app on your mobile device, or else head to the web browser and then open up Yahoo Mail. As you open up the app on your mobile device, wait for a certain while until you land on an interface that will basically take you towards signing up. So here, as you land on an interface like this, you can either select Google, AOL, or any other things in order to sign up, or you can tap on the sign up button. After tapping on the sign up button, Yahoo Mail will want to use yahoo.com to sign in, so tap on continue. And as you do that, you will now be directed towards another interface where you will have to create a Yahoo Mail address. So here what you have to do is you'll have to enter your first name and then also enter your last name. After doing that, you will also have to choose your email address. So here I'm just gonna choose my email address and then set up a particular password for your account. After setting up the password, you also have to set up your mobile number. So for setting up the mobile number, first of all, you have to choose the country of your residence or the particular country that you're in, and then enter your phone number. After doing this, enter your birth month and then also enter your day of birth and finally your year of birth. After doing this, choose your gender. It's an optional thing, but you can always choose it. And then finally tap on continue. After tapping on continue, after a certain while, you'll be able to sign up for your account. I hope that this video works out for you and you're able to sign up for your own account. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.